Hello, hi all, welcome to the Tech Brains channel. Today we are going to install the official software required for the Pironman 5 Max case. This software enables the hardware features of the case, such as RGB lighting, OLED display, cooling fan control, and power management. Without installing these packages, the Raspberry Pi will work normally, but these extra Pironman features won't function properly. So to work it properly, we are going to install two commands. So let's get started. First, I am installing Python 3 along with pip and setup tools. Python is a programming language used by the Pironman software. Pip is the package manager that installs Python libraries. So step 1 done successfully. Now we will start with step 2. In the next step, I am downloading and running the official installation script directly from the SunFounder GitHub repository. This script automatically installs all the required components, configures the necessary services, and prepares the system so the RGB lights, OLED display, fan control, and other Pironman features start working correctly. So it can take some time. So after the installation is complete, we will reboot the Raspberry Pi and then we can verify that all the Pironman 5 Max hardware features are working as expected. Okay, we will see those things also. Yes, it's done. It is asking us to reboot. Yes, we click on yes. Yes, is rebooting. So meanwhile, I'm going to my camera screen and I will show you the output also, how it came out. So now I will open my back camera and I will show you that. So you can see here, yes, the lights are going to be worked. Fans are running. Of course, you can check OLED display also. Yes, we can see the temperature here. Cool, it's working fine. You can use the below commands I given in the description below. I have pasted these two commands in the description below, so you can copy paste directly from there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.